Hello everyone, I'm gonna solve the problem of the LeetCode, which is called longest substring without repeating characters. First, before I start, I wanna explain what it is. Let me open the Microsoft dashboard. For example, let's assume that I entered A, B, C, D, E, H, G, F. As you can see, A, B, C, D. There is no duplicated characters, right? And it has the length of 4. And then D, A, H, G, F. There is no also duplicated characters, and it has a length of 5. So we should return 5. This is the max length. We're gonna find the max length, the longest substring with the duplicate characters. And there's an example, ABC, ABC, BB. The answer is ABC with the length of 3. Note that BCA and CAB are also correct answers because these are the another longest substring without duplicate characters. But we're gonna have to find the longest. I gave you the example of this because this is the crucial example. It doesn't have to be the longest substring without duplicate characters doesn't have to be at the end. At beginning. We found it here. It doesn't have to be here. Okay, this is what I was trying to say. Okay, I'm gonna explain it on this example. Using this example, let's erase them. And I will create def, the longest substring definitions function. I'm gonna pass as, which is the variable that we're gonna input. We're gonna have the char set, the set, left. This is the pointer, the max length. What is left? Let me explain. There are gonna two pointer. First one is left. Second one is right. The right is gonna iterate all the way up to this string ABC, ABC, BB. It goes to right, and this left pointer gonna remain on this character until this pointer find the duplicated characters such as A, because A is contained in ABC. And as when this pointer found this letter, this pointer, left, gonna erase or remove this letter. So it goes like this. Let me sketch it. First, the left is here. The right pointer goes to right. A, B, C, and by the time the right goes here, the left point, this pointer is gonna erase A, and it goes to right as well. This is the last. This is the next step. Okay? There is a movement like this. And it goes like this. I hope I made you understand the basic concept of that. That's why I create the variable of left. Okay, I'm gonna iterate the string that I'm gonna input for s for right in length of s. Okay, now the variable of right No, this variable gonna be at first gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, to whatever the length of s. Okay. Then let's assume we entered this string abc abc bb. This is the it has the length of 8, right? 8. So right, this variable is gonna be first it's gonna be 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I'm gonna say while char set the index of the right char set index of the right in sorry s right in char set. So if we have the character of this, you know, the s, the index of the right, for example a, or any character that is duplicated, then we're gonna remove this character using left, the variable of left. I'm gonna say char set dot remove. What is the character that we're gonna remove is the s square bracket left, and we're gonna increase the left because, as I mentioned before, we should increase the variable of left because the left, this pointer gonna have the moment of this, it will goes to b. We should increase it, right? As you can see here, that's why we added 1. Okay, and then if this while is not true, it's not true, it will ghost here, I'm gonna write char set dot add s right. Okay, if s right, this character is not in this char set, we're gonna do this process. Okay, and we're gonna calculate the current window size. It's gonna be right minus left plus 1, and we're gonna also calculate the max length equal to max, this method I'm gonna use this method, max length current window. It's gonna return the longest substring without duplicate. Okay. And then it's gonna print the max length. Okay, let's say texts equal str input, enter a text in column, and I'm gonna call my function the longest substring text. Okay, let's test it. I'm gonna say abc, it will return 3, Yes. And let's test this example I have just mentioned. A, B, C, D, D, A, H, G, F. It should return 5. A, B, C, D, D, A, H, G, F. 5, yes, as you can see. Thanks for watching. I will see you at the next video.